Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is an absolutely awful day. It is now actually about maybe 10 a.m, 10:30 and the weather is atrocious. It's really dark outside. I don't think the camera is really picking up on it that well. So it's looking like it's quite a bright day, but it's actually not. You can see I've got like lights on in the house and in my room. Today is actually quite a miserable day and I thought that it's about time I do a little bit of self-love. Yeah, so today I'm gonna run you guys through a little self-care vlog of mine. I'm gonna do a bath, I'm gonna do some masks, I'm just going to really fix up the atrocity that is my face and my skin at the moment. I just thought it'd be a good idea to do something like this because last week's video was about, you know, how to get that Fendi peekaboo look. If you haven't watched that, I will link it below. Go check it out. It's a really good video. I really like it because I've had a lot of people comment and compliment the way that my bag looks and ask, you know, how do you do that with your Fendi peekaboo? Like, they're really scared of stretching out their bag, the leather, and ruining it, and that video is really good insight to how to get that look. But yeah, so I decided to kind of get this week just a bit of a vlog-ish style video going, and the next week I'm actually going to be doing the review of my Fendi peekaboo. So if you are kind of, you know, here to have a look at those kind of videos, the luxury videos, do wait till next week, hit that subscribe button, and you will be able to check out the video on that bag. There's a little stain, you guys might be able to see it there. I've been wearing this around the house so much. Even when I'm indoors, I'm just like not going anywhere, I'm just wearing this because I'm so obsessed with it, and I love it so much. And I was eating dinner and I got food on it, so if you guys can see that it's like really messy, I need to get this dry cleaned. But with this awful weather and coronavirus, I just don't really want to go out of the house. So yes, this jumper is a bit messy, but I am obsessed with it, so please forgive me, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on my skincare. I'm gonna do some masks today as well. So I have my mask in this little drawer here. So I'm thinking about maybe, I definitely need something for my eyes because I have noticed that my eyes are really baggy and puffy these days. So I'm actually going to use the Mecca Cosmetica Hydrogel mask. I'll show you that, guys, in a second. And I think I might also do a mask on reducing the size of my pores as well. Now, this particular mask is one from Michelle, who is my best friend. We've been friends for like 10 years. More than 10 years actually. This particular mask was actually a birthday gift and it's called the Porecting solution, and it's a charcoal sheet mask that's really good for pores. She is like my soul sister and she totally understands the problem with pores because she has pretty big pores along her nose and I have really big pores around the jewels of my cheeks. So I'm not gonna like pull you guys in, but trust me, there are like really big pores here that I really have to take care of. So I'm gonna pop you guys down. So the first thing I'm going to do with any good skincare routine is to clean my face. Now, I've already washed my face. The next thing to do is to have a really good toner, and because I did a skincare video a little while back, and it's really good for people who like want like minimum, like really lazy skincare. And I said that if you really want to be lazy, there are 4 essential steps that you have to do: cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sunscreen. I've already cleansed, so I'm going to tone. The toner that I'm currently using is the Badescue glycolic acid toner. I've just finished my Chanel toner, which is the Tonique anti-pollution invigorating toner in this like really nice blue clear bottle. So I like to do an empty bottles video, or empties video, where I go through all the products that I've emptied out in my routines and go through with you guys my thoughts of the good and the bad and whether I'm going to purchase it again. So stay tuned for that. I am currently using this one. Don't take this as a bad sign that I'm not going to use a Chanel again, because I don't want to give anything away. I got this purely because the Chanel was really, really expensive, so it's like one end of the spectrum, and the Mario Badescue is like really cheap, so it's like on the total different end of the spectrum. And I like to try things across the entire range, from cheap to expensive, good reviews, bad reviews. I like to try it out for myself. Yes, that's right. Even if a product has bad reviews, I try it out because everyone's skin is different. And so what some people might think are bad might be good. All right, so time to tone my face. Look how dirty my skin is. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Can you see that grime on there? Ugh, so bad. And keeping in mind, this is like after I have just been sleeping. I haven't even gone anywhere. Okay, so toning is now done. This feels really good on the face, by the way, guys. It's, you know, got glycolic acid, which is really good, a good balance, because at the moment I am using the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum, which I love. It helps with hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is the best ingredient to help with discoloration and hyperpigmentation. So this is truly my best friend right now. So I've toned now. Oh, why did I put that down? I actually need to use this. So this is the C-Firma serum, really good for hyperpigmentation. So you just, well, what I do is I pop a very concentrated amount and I dab it over my pigmented skin as a first step. And then I do the same on this side where I have hyperpigmentation. I kind of let it dry for a little bit, and then I just get a little bit more and I cover the rest of my face, because this is also good kind of for anti-aging as well. It's not good for the eye area, so don't go like rubbing it like right under here. That's what eye serum is for. I always forget about my neck area as well, so I am definitely making an effort to do this. Alright, so the next thing is I usually would put on my eye serum before my facial serum. I've just done my facial serum, and that's because I'm going to be doing an eye mask. So normally for an eye mask or any kind of mask, I like to do it for a special occasion, and I think today definitely counts. It's just a self-care kind of day, so I wanted to whip out my masks. So I've never actually used this before, and I haven't shown you it yet. It is the Mecca Cosmetica Hydrogel eye mask. So Mecca is kind of like Sephora, and oh, there's quite a bit in here. So they have their own line of products, and this is just one of them. This is a mask that is designed to hydrate, tighten, brighten, lift, and depuff the under eye area, which is exactly what I need. Alright, so this is the eye mask. It's a very clear gel-like material with tons of product. Oh, this feels good. This feels really, really good. Okay guys, I'm back. So it's been about 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to take these off. Feeling good. And I also, so I'm gonna start unwrapping this, but I also wanted to touch on the weather at the moment, because I'm not sure if you guys might have seen on the news, but New South Wales is going through an extreme weather event at the moment. So we are experiencing flooding and just tons and tons of rain, and yeah, it's just, it's not a good thing. And so that's another reason why I don't really want to go anywhere. Even if it's driving or whatnot, it is actually quite dangerous to head outside. Pull this mask out. I do have to say, maybe like the one thing I'm not so like in love about with masks is that they are so slimy. And this one has like 2 layers to it, so it's just like I don't even know which layer is the one I should be I think it's this one. So you guys will see that there was this thick, not thick, but there was this layer of like protective sheeting for the mask. So there's a lot of product on here and I don't really like to waste it. So, another 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, so it has been 10 minutes and I'm gonna take my mask off. I'm going to fold it onto the other side so I can just kind of rub my face. Now you'll see that there are a ton more lights on in my room. I've got one here and one back there. It's because I've decided to close the blinds because it's just such a dark day today that I just thought I might as well have the lights on. So rubbing it into where I really have big pores because I definitely want to minimize those. What? Alright guys, so I'm gonna let this dry and next up is going to be my bath. Then I'm going to do some spot fixing. So I have this other product from Badescue, or Badescue. I have such awful pronunciation, but from Badescue, and it is the drying lotion. There we go, finally. So this is the Badescue drying lotion. And basically you can see that there's like sediment down here and then clear liquids. You're not supposed to shake it. What you're supposed to do is get a cotton tip, dip it in, get the sediment down here and then kind of spot apply to wherever you need to fix. And that's just, it dries out that patch and it kind of gets rid of the acne. And I have a bit of acne here, and I think there's one around here in this area as well. So I really want to just like spot fix them. So I'm going to do that after my bath. So I'm going to draw my bath and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm back. Now that bath was incredible. You would have seen that I actually still had my little turban on. I didn't actually, you know, wash or cleanse or bathe the face from the neck up because otherwise that would completely dismiss the purpose of the whole skincare routine that I've done. So the very last step before I leave you guys is to do that little spot check-in. Let's have a look. Okay, so to do this, you just, like I said before, stick this down, get some of that product in there, tap it a little bit so it's not like soaking wet, and then you just apply it onto wherever it is that you want. I'm actually very happy with the position that my skin is in at the moment. I'm very happy with it because I just feel like here, like being my only problem area is like so good because it means that like the rest of my face I'm actually very happy with. So that's it guys. This is a bit of a self-love routine where I'm just really kind of pampering myself. This was more a video to show you guys my self-love routine, my self-love kind of, I guess, method and how I like to, you know, pamper myself a little bit. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I also just want to make sure that you guys do that as well, and show you guys it doesn't take a lot of effort to take care of yourself and really pamper yourself, and give yourself this at-home spa treatment. It's yeah, it's very fulfilling. I feel so good right now and I'm ready to tackle the rest of the day. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking by me even through my disgusting face. This entire video I have no makeup on, so definitely I'm being very naked, very honest with you guys. This is it. This is everything. This is me laying myself bare. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any comments or feedback down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.